Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new chapter from your book Footprints Without Feet, lesson The Thief's Story. The Thief's Story. In this chapter, there are two main characters, Hari Singh, who is a thief, and next one is Anil, is a gentleman. Okay? The chapter name is Thief's Story, so it's very clear to all of you that definitely there would be a thief who would be going to steal something. So chapter is giving little bit this plot type to you. Before starting this chapter, I will tell you one thing very clearly. It has been seen also, it has been noticed also by me, one person's good behavior changes a bad person's and his nature, his quality. We should not leave our good qualities ever. The same we are going to see in this chapter. There was the character Hari Singh, who was a thief, who used to steal many things from his employer's house or any other shops. This was the person Anil. One day this person was watching a wrestling match. The same time Hari Singh met him and he wanted to talk to Anil. Anil did not show any kind of sign that he wanted to talk to Hari Singh, but actually he was in need. He wanted to rob other ones today. He was a great liar. Great liar. He used to change his name every month. Same happened with Anil. He started to talk to Anil, having asked about him with some flattery words. He told Anil that you look like a wrestler. Hari Singh spoke that you look like a wrestler. And Anil was a very lean and tall man. He came to know very well that he was mocking at or he wanted to talk to. Anil also replied in very ironical manner, yeah, you too also a wrestler. So their talking started from this and he wanted to talk very first. After that, he started to talk and asked Anil that I want to do work for you. Hari Singh spoke that I want to do work for you, but Anil spoke that I don't have any work at my home to give you. He tried to have a way with Anil, but Anil refused. At last Anil spoke that if you want to do work for me, I don't have money to give you. I cannot pay you. He spoke that definitely I'm not going to take money. Then Anil asked that, can you cook for me? Hari Singh did not know how to cook, but he spoke, I can cook. Okay? Again he lied here. Hari Singh came with Anil to his house and he noticed each and everything. What used to be done by Anil, in which profession he was busy. Actually, this was a person who used to write for a magazine. And this was only the way to earn money. To earn money by fits and starts. Regular income from magazines, writing. Okay. So, one day, Hari Singh cooked for Anil very first day. And he cooked in such a way because he was not a cook. He did not know how to cook. He cooked food in such a way Anil did not eat and he threw complete food to the stray dogs. He did not mind, but he laughed as he knew very well. Day by day, both started to know each and everyone. Hari Singh, Anil asked about his last career, what was due to be done by him. He spoke very clearly, he told each and everything. Actually, he was influenced by the behavior of Anil. Because when Anil used to go out from his home, he left each and everything there on Hari Singh. he gave a key to Hari Singh. Okay, he can come anytime to home, he can go anytime from home. He used to bring some domestic articles from the shops. Up to now, children, Hari Singh could not earn a bit more. He could not steal anything from Anil's house. There were two reasons. Number one, Anil did not have money at the time when Hari Singh came in this period. Second one is the behavior of Anil. But he was earning money from shopkeepers. When he used to go out to take something, he used to save 1 or 2 rupees from that. Okay. By and by, after some days, he noticed that Anil was also anxious for money. Actually, he did not have money, but a check was to be received by Anil. He came to know. Hari Singh came to know. Okay. And I have written here this phrase hung around, meaning is roaming. He always hang around Anil. That's why I have written here roaming. Okay. Ever and anon, occasionally, have a way with to make someone agree. Okay. To make someone agree, and this one is occasionally. Okay, and this one is regularly. This one is wrong. So he was waiting for the check, and one day he received some money. He brought some money at home. Hari Singh decided to steal the money, and he made complete plan that at night when Anil will sleep, I will take complete money. At that night, Anil slept, having put all the money under his mattress. By according the plan of Hari Singh stole the money and ran away to station to catch the train to Lucknow. But what happened with Hari Singh here? He could not catch the train, he missed the train, and he was in completely dilemma because he did not have anyone in the city who must have knew Hari Singh. He had only one person in the city who knew him, Anil. It was a time of drizzling, little bit raining, and it was a time of night also. He did not have any choice. So he returned to, after too much thinking, he returned to Anil's house and slept there. He kept all the money under the mattress of Anil. Children, early in the morning when Anil woke up, he found his money, and you know what did he do? He gave a little amount of money, approx 50 rupees, to Hari Singh. Hari Singh completely in embarrassing situation because Anil knew that the money was stolen by Hari Singh, but he kept. You know how? Because all the notes were wetty due to rain. This good behavior of Anil changed Hari Singh completely, and he decided to study, to know how to write, to know how to read, and after this he thought that now he would be a good person. Having taken good education, he will choose a good career and would be like Anil. He knew that definitely Anil has changed his life. You will come to know as soon as you will go through the chapter. If you face any problem, you can ask me.